Today I tried to decide. We had Filibertos. I had Filibertos for the first time in my life, and I have to honestly say, man, it's really not that bad. Honestly, like we got the carne asada fries, I believe. We got the sauces on the side. It was very cheesy, very cheesy. Would I ever get it again? I don't know. I really don't like Mexican food like that, but it was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I really rate this like probably like a 7 out of 10. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. Honestly, like I'm watching the video right now today, and I made this video like weeks, so I probably get it again today. To be honest, bro, like Filiberto's is not that bad, bro. Filiberto's is one of the best Mexican restaurants. And I don't know. It's in Arizona, but I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's in California and other places, bro. But Filiberto's really, I really chowed out on this today, bro. I was eating with my girlfriend recommended me this. Look at her plate. Her plate is full. Look at what she got. She went crazy. She's Mexican, by the way. She's Latina. So yeah, she Mexican. So she suggested me Filiberto's, bro. I usually like Chinese food. I like fast food, like French fries, stuff like that, like or Jack in the Box. But she mentioned me Filiberto's, bro. But yeah, Filiberto's was awesome, bro. Um, my favorite thing about it, bro, like you know what I'm saying, the cheese, the French fries, how the shredded cheese on it melted on the fries, bro. The sauces on the side, bro. This is the bomb, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I might have to, bro. Like I should make my own Filiberto's one day, bro. I want to make a video where I make my own Filiberto's. Steak fries, steak and French fries, guacamole, queso. The drink, I got the bachata drink, in my hand, little like white little milk pause. You know, I really want to make this one day on my own. I want to see how it comes out, bro. Cause these kind of cider fries were bomb, bro. I'm not gonna lie, probably the best ever, bro.
And Scottsdale got denied medical treatment before, and they already took my ID at the emergency room.